Ladies and gentlemen, poster wars which have been underway in the state of Maharashtra now intensifying, and this is not just any poster war. There are now posters that have been placed this morning near Matoshri saying that Uddhav Thackeray should be the chief ministerial candidate if the Maha-Vikas Aghadi comes to power. As I said, ladies and gentlemen, most exit polls have been predicting an edge for the Mahayuti, which is the ruling alliance. But within the Maha-Vikas Aghadi, who will be the chief minister if it does manage the magic figure of 145 plus? Well, according to the Uddhav Sena, as it is now called, it should be Uddhav Thackeray. These banners in Thane have been put up which say, and then there are banners in Thane that have been put up as well which say again Shinde Sarkar, which means even on the other side you have the Game of Thrones as far as the chief ministerial seat is concerned being played out. Let me go straight across to my colleague Abhishek, who is joining us on the broadcast. Abhishek, over to you. Show us the pictures and tell us the story.
Yes, definitely. I'm right present at Kalanagar Junction, right besides 500 meters from Matoshri. And this is the poster. I would like my cameraman Tushar to show you. Here is the poster of Uddhav Thackeray, and it is clearly written in Marathi. Kutum Pramukhas Honar Punha Mukhyamantri. That means the head of the family will again become the chief minister of Maharashtra. And it's also written, Garv se kaho hum Hindu hai. Definitely this is what we are discussing from the past 2 days because Maha-Vikas Aghadi is not ready to accept the exit poll firstly, and preparations and strategies are being formed within the Maha-Vikas Aghadi. Who will be the chief minister? We heard the statement of Nana Patole, claiming that it will be from Congress, and then later he changed his stand after the counter from Sanjay Raut, where he said that no formula has been decided. MVA will collectively sit together and decide on the CM face, and this is what yesterday Ramesh Chennithala also told to us. So definitely, whether it is Uddhav Thackeray or someone from the Congress, or will there be a surprise from the NCP of Sharad Pawar faction, is something that we are clearly looking forward to. But, as the counting starts, the dynamics will certainly change. But as far as the posters are concerned, similarly, we can understand in Mahayuti also, we have posters of Devendra Fadnavis, in fact, Eknath Shinde, under whose leadership they say that, the entire election was fought, but they don't declare him as the chief minister's candidate. But on the other side, Ajit Pawar is also mulling for him that, what will be his numbers so that he could claim to the CM post. So this is all being decided and strategies are being formed. But last to conclude, it will be the key of the government will be in the hands of independents.
You've spoken about posters that have come up in Thane. Let's quickly put out those posters that have come up in Thane as well, which are again saying Ab ki baar Shinde Sarkar. Once again, this time you will have the Shinde Sarkar. Those are pictures that are coming in from Thane. Similar posters have come up outside BJP headquarters. Only this time for the chief ministerial post, the pitch is for Devendra Fadnavis. And does Ajit Pawar have some hopes? He has hopes, but can he be king, or will he just be kingmaker? That will completely depend on the numbers that are coming out. So Abhishek, you were talking about not just Uddhav Thackeray, but you have his one-time friend turned foe, Mr. Shinde, Eknath Shinde as well, hoping to be chief minister once again, because those posters in Thane clearly indicate that the Shinde Sena is very clear. Banega chief minister to hamara aadmi hi.
See, definitely, we are, these kind of statements have been made from past 2 days when exit poll has favored Mahayuti. In fact, right from the incumbent MLAs as well as ministers from the Shinde camp. And one thing that we need to understand is, BJP has also agreed, the entire Mahayuti, that we have fought the election under the leadership of Chief Minister Eknath Shinde. But will he be repeated is something a big question mark. In fact, irrespective parties have their top brass or the senior leaders as chief minister. If you talk about BJP party workers, they are favoring Devendra Fadnavis. When we talk about NCP, they say look forward to Ajit Pawar. And when we talk about Shiv Sena of Eknath Shinde, all the leaders, they want Eknath Shinde to be back at the seat of Chief Minister. But definitely, will that work out is something, or let me tell you, BJP has always surprised Maharashtra, and it's an unpredictable politics of Maharashtra. You know, what we predict or what we decide is something different has happened. You know, remember at the time of 2019, something like that can be, big surprises could come ahead. But as of now, as per the posters around, definitely in both the camps, and most importantly, after the split of parties, you know, there are 4 regional parties and 2 national parties in the game. Then everyone claiming they are senior leaders to be the chief minister. But it will be after the counting concludes and looking at the
There's
situation,
a problem of
definitely
plenty
a
in
call will be
Maharashtra.
taken. Yeah.
Abhishek, thank you very much. There's clearly a problem of plenty as far as Maharashtra is concerned. Ladies and gentlemen, so confident is the BJP that jalebis are already in the making in the BJP headquarters. Now, the logic that is, of course, always given is that, you know, the BJP is a party which has a tradition of hospitality, which means if you show up on election counting day at the BJP headquarters here in Delhi, then the least you will get is jalebis and samosas and khasta, which is in true North Indian tradition. So, ladies and gentlemen, the point is that Maharashtra's election is as golmol as the jalebis that are currently being made in the BJP headquarters. Will the state give us a clean and clear mandate, or will the election results and what happens after that go around in circles? That's a question. As we see these pictures coming in from the BJP headquarters, already confident of a win, because aap meetha kab banate hain? When you're confident, when that some good news is going to come.